Do you have an egg, Barney? Do you have an egg? Yay for the egg! And he's now noticed that I have the camera, and he will never do anything in front of the camera because he thinks it's evil for some reason.
He should know what to do with the egg, doesn't he?
Oh, yes, the egg. What do I do with the egg, Mummy? What do I do with the egg? Are you going to eat the egg, Barney? Is Mommy going to come get the egg? Is Mommy going to take the egg away? Should Mommy come and get the egg?